Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the directory structure of Magento 2. So let's have a look on that. So I have prepared the tutorial. So let's open it. Describe the Magento directory structure. We have block, controller, modal, setup, API, console, Chrome, customer data, helper, IA, 18 and observer plugin UI and view. So these are the basic structures that of the creating a basic module. So let's define each and everything in that. Okay. So if I go to my code and if I go this one and let's custom products. So here we have product block controller etc view. Right? So block is basically used when you are trying to pass data in the if here um, that we have already which have we have done in block. If you want this data needs to be passed in any of the PHTML, or you want to use that logic in any of the template files, so you can add it over here, right? Controller, that is basically whenever you try to hit any kind of URL where the request goes on, so it will handle that kind of things. Okay, so all the REST APIs, you can create something in the controller part, right? Model and model resource model basically create this for the business logic that you have to create it in the models, right? Collection factory or fetching the data, something that you have related to the business logic that you have to write it over here. Setup, that is for the creation of your files or database files. Install script, upgrade script, right? API just for the usage of the interacting with the PHP classes with the help of the API section. Console commands basically that is run via console, which we have already mentioned in the previous in the coming video. This is my console command, so which I have used this. Okay. So next we have cron job. For running the cron job, you need to add the cron, and here you need to write the all the things in which time you will need to run the cron and settings or everything. Customer data, that is for the sections. Helper, if you want something that is reusable, so you can use the helper functions. I18N, that is for the language. Observer, if you want to trigger any kind of event after some uh, particular action, so you can use the observer. Like after the place order, I want to hit something, I want to update something, so you can use the observer. Plugin, that is for overriding any kind of class or inbuilt any kind of classes, so that suppose in plugins you can modify the product name. So when you getting the product name, so you can modify using the before, around and after methods. That is for plugin. UI, that is for the components. View, for rendering the HTML, or you can say for the front end, all the things goes on the view part, right? So view can be email that view, front end, admin HTML or base. You can use email layout templates, UI component templates, web templates, Wire.js, right? So this is basically in the view part. All the view files, including static view files, design templates, everything will go on the view part. Let's go to the theme file structure. When you're trying to create any kind of theme, so what are the basic structure? That is composer.json, theme.xml, etc, view.xml, I18. You can mention enus.csv. License, you want to add media, that is very important. Registration.php, web part for the CSS. Source files, you can add images and JS file. Okay. Language file structure, you can say if you are making this one, so what it includes: composer, language.xml and registration.php. So this is the language file structure, and this is theme file structure. And modules file structure, which we have already discussed. This is the module, basic module structuring: block, controller, etc, view, and this one. So in etc you can see they have the configurations files and module registration. So this is the basic Magento directory structure which we have to build to create modules. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. I hope you understand what is exactly about the Magento directory structure. If you have any issue, just write me down in a comment box. Please do like, share, and comment. Have a great day.